Most beautiful saltwater fish. The flame angelfish, Centropyge loricula, is one of the most popular of the dwarf angelfish species. Spot one in a tank, and you'll realize why they're so popular. Fish get their name from the fiery red bodies, set off with an orange center, almost as if they possessed a fiery core. They also have black bars on the sides and deep blue ends to their fins. Put it together, and you have a striking fish that's perfect for any reef tank. The flame angels are sexually dichromatic, meaning there is a visual difference between males and females. Blue streaks on the male's dorsal and anal fins are more pronounced than on the female, and they are also larger. Angelfish can grow up to 5.9 inch, 15 centimeters, and in the wild, can 5 to 7 years or longer. Purple tang, Zebrasoma xanthorum, stands out as one of the most beautiful members of the surgeonfish group. The rich tones of their scales draw the eye immediately, even in a vibrant reef tank. However, they're not tangs for the faint of heart or the light of wallet. Purple tangs are some of the most expensive in the family, and they bring a few problems with them, as if that hit to your bank account wasn't problematic enough. Parrotfish are named for their dentition, which is distinct from other fish, including other labrids. Their numerous teeth are arranged in a tightly packed mosaic on the external surface of their jawbones, forming a parrot-like beak with which they rasp algae from coral and other rocky substrates, which contributes to the process of bioerosion. Before they go to sleep each night, some species of parrotfish build a transparent cocoon made of mucus secreted from special glands in their gills. It not only keeps them safe from biting bed bugs like parasitic isopods that attach while the fish sleep, but may also mask their smell from nighttime predators like moray eels and sharks. The Copperband butterflyfish is a beautiful and iconic saltwater aquarium fish species. The long nose, honed by evolution for picking meals from tiny crevices in the live rock. The alternating black-lined goldfish yellow copper-colored bands and white coloration pattern. False eye spot on the rear part of the dorsal fin and the relatively tall, slender build of the fish give it a graceful, pleasing appearance. Copperband butterfly is a saltwater fish native to the coral reefs or rocky shores in the western Pacific Ocean, Indonesia, the Philippines, etc. It's not likely that this fish will spawn in captivity, but in the wild, they do form monogamous pairs when breeding. If you are enjoying this video, a sub to the channel will be wild. While there is plenty of diversity between the different species, all of them are characterized by striking skin color and pronounced venomous spines protruding from their body. Venom conveyed by their stingies a powerful deterrent to predators and is even a health concern for humans. Several types of lionfish have become established off the coast of the United States and elsewhere in the Atlantic Ocean as invasive species that present a significant ecological threat. Clown triggerfish, Balastoides conspicillum, get their name from two different sources, that vibrant appearance and the bubbly personality they bring to a saltwater aquarium. Plenty of hobbyists yearn to add one of these curious triggers to their collection. And while you couldn't ask for a more engaging fish, you need to do some homework. Is that clown side? Yeah, it comes with a horrible streak. Talking horror movie clown level here, the clown triggerfish is a brightly colored foraging predator on coral reefs in the Indo-Pacific Ocean. All triggerfishes, the clown triggerfish has very strong jaws and broad teeth, perfect for eating its preferred prey, hard-shelled invertebrates like sea urchins, crustaceans, and mollusks. There are actually three different, popular saltwater fish species that share the common name, blue tang. Powder blue tang, the Atlantic blue tang are beautiful fish, but the most famous and popular of the three is the royal blue tang, Paracanthus hepatus, made popular by the Pixar movies Finding Nemo and Finding Dory. Truth be told, this fish was amazing before the movies and is one of the most beautiful species you'll encounter. The adult and juvenile blue-face angelfish differ markedly in coloration. As a juvenile, the body is covered with alternating vertical stripes of black, white, and sapphire blue. On growing to approximately 5 inches, the juvenile blueface angelfish begins to morph into its adult coloration of pale yellow with bluish scales and a bright yellow pectoral fin, mottled blue face with yellow mask that extends from eye to eye but not much beyond each eye, along with an eye spot at the caudal end of the dorsal fin. Blueface angelfish is best kept as the only angelfish, as it is prone to becoming territorial when it is the largest fish in the tank. Mandarin fish are reef dwellers, preferring sheltered lagoons and inshore reefs. While they are slow-moving and fairly common within their range, they are not easily seen due to their bottom feeding habit and their small size, reaching only about 6 centimeters. Feed primarily on small crustaceans and other invertebrates. Did you know that these fish do not have scales? Instead, they secrete mucus from their skin, which helps repel predators and keep them clean from parasites. Also, their bright coloration is not for attracting a mate. Instead, it is to mislead predators into believing that they may be toxic to consume. A designer clownfish is one that is unique and does not look like any of the common clownfish. Designer clownfish are specially bred for color variations, unusual patterns, difference in stripes, some have more, some have less, incredible shape differences to the fins and differences in the clownfish's body shape. A clownfish, also called an anemone fish, is a small ocean fish, characterized by its bright orange body with white stripes and black tips. There are 30 species of clownfish. If you want to watch the most expensive fish, that video is here. I am Solomon, see you next time.